Do you feel like Instagram moved your messages, and now you're opening the app and wondering where your direct messages went? You're not imagining it. Instagram recently changed the layout, and in this video, I'm going to explain exactly where your direct messages are now, what the new DM icon looks like, where it used to be, and why this change is confusing so many people. I'm on the Instagram app right now, and let's start with how things looked before. Before this update, your direct messages were located in the top right corner of the screen. The icon looked like a small paper airplane, and for years, that was the main way people opened their messages on Instagram. With the new Instagram update, that paper airplane icon is no longer at the top for many users. Instead, Instagram moved direct messages to the bottom of the screen. Now, if you look at the bottom navigation bar, you'll see a new DM icon down there. This icon looks more like a message or chat bubble, and this is now the main way to access your direct messages. To open your messages, all you have to do is tap that DM icon at the bottom, and it will take you straight into your inbox. This change can feel strange at first, especially if you've been using Instagram for a long time. The reason Instagram made this change is because the app is now focusing much more on video and private conversations. Reels and direct messages are the two features people use the most, so Instagram placed them in the easiest spot to reach with your thumb. That's also why Reels now sits right next to Messages in the bottom navigation bar. One important thing to keep in mind is that not everyone will see the exact same layout right away. Depending on your account and when it was updated, you might still see the old paper airplane icon in the top right corner. If that's the case, nothing is wrong with your app. Instagram rolls out updates slowly, so some accounts change earlier than others. But if the top right icon is gone on your screen, your messages have not disappeared. They've simply moved to the bottom. Once you get used to this new location, opening your direct messages is actually faster than before. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped explain the new Instagram layout, feel free to like it, subscribe to App Tutor for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.